So hey, this is Daisha with CarLogic, and today I'm going to take you through how to do a two-strand twist. And I'm going to do it a little different. So I'm going to show you the wrong way first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it the way I do. And that's just because I've gotten a couple of comments that people think the texture of hair really dictates your twist when it really isn't the texture, it's the technique. So doing it the wrong way, you see that I'm just taking the two strands and I'm folding one over the other. There's no tension. I'm not smoothing the hair out. I'm just literally just basic twisting. And when that happens, you'll see when you compare to the one that did the right way, there's no definition. So if I want to take that twist as a twist out, it's going to be fuzzy without the definition. As a protective style, it's not really protecting my hair the same way because it's not being able to hold onto that moisture. So you want to make sure as you're doing it that you take the two pieces of hair and you make sure that you're getting enough tension from the very beginning. And if your tension doesn't feel right, then stop and start again. So I take the hair between my finger and my index thumb on both sides. And then at the very start of my twist, I fold one over the other. And as I'm taking the piece underneath, I smooth it out with my finger and then give my wrist just a little bit of a twist. That's at the very beginning. So this way it's smoother at the roots than it would be normally. You'll see that's a little bit tighter there. And then I keep twisting it, but I keep that tension going and I smooth it out with every time I'm grabbing and touching the hair. I'm smoothing it just a little bit with my fingers. So it's kind of like a little baby massage for my hair. And that helps to make sure that it stays nice and smooth, and it helps to make sure that I get the definition and the protection that I need. Now at the very end, I'll wrap it around my finger and get the twist. My texture in the back is different, so I'll have to spritz some water, some curl cream, maybe some oil, and a little bit of a fine tooth comb, but I still can get the curl and then wrap it around the ends. And at the end of the day, you can take it loose as a twist out. And when I say end of the day, for me, it's about 2 days for that bad boy to dry. But you can take it as a twist out, or you can leave it as a protective style. The next one I'm going to have is around flat twists, which is a two-strand twist to your scalp. And then I'm going to move to three-strand twists. So, hope this is helpful. Have a good one.